Hey everybody, and welcome to another one of my videos. Today we're going to be talking about these two tuners along with a special third one later, but I'm going to keep that as a secret. So make sure you stick around through the video so that you see that special third one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, that way you're getting all of my content as soon as it's released. Alright, let's get right to the video today and talk about these tuners. Let's start with the Snark SN1 guitar tuner. This tuner will work with any string instrument, bass guitar, acoustic guitar, electric guitar, ukulele, violins, violas, all of the string instruments. It's a very, very cool design. It has this awesome clip. So the clip is super strong. Once you put it on your guitar, it's on there. So I can take the face, the display, and I can move that all around. The arm can go all the way around 360, and I can get so many different shapes just by moving all of this stuff around. So because this display can rotate 360 degrees, it's so easy to view this from any angle. So the frequency range that's in this tuner is tailored specifically to the string instruments. Now we can take this pitch calibration and we can change it between 415 and 466 Hertz. So if you're somebody that likes to do that, you have that ability. And where you would do that is on the back. So there's some buttons that you could push on the back to change that. You have an up and a down button, and then you have the menu button. Another thing that's really cool with these tuners, right here on the side, we have a built-in metronome. And if we click on that, you can see that we have 100 beats up there and we have a heart beating. And you can easily look at that and see that and play right along. This tuner has a high sensitivity vibration sensor inside of it, and that's how it's tuning your instrument. This has a full color display. Because of the display being so bright, you can use this for practicing or live gigging in extreme light, like I have right now, or you can see it in darkness a little bit better. This already comes with a battery, and that battery is a CR123A. And that battery is going to last you a super long time. I have had this particular tuner for, it has to be 2 or 3 years now, and I have never changed the battery in this. And I'm constantly using this to tune my instruments. Right now, if you click on the link down in the description, you'll go and see that this is $15.99. And with the holiday season coming up, this would make an excellent stocking stuffer. I can't find any con to this other than if you have trouble seeing things close up or that are small, you might have a little bit of trouble seeing what's on the display. When you're tuning, it's pretty big, you can see it. Things like the metronome, that can get a little bit small and it might be a little hard to see. So the second portable tuner that I would like to talk about is the Snark ST2 multi-instrument chromatic tuner. So this tuner is just a little bit different than this one. This one's going to allow you to tune any instrument. So you could do all of your band instruments, saxophones, flutes, clarinets, trumpets. And then there's also a feature in here that you can change from the microphone part to the vibration part, which means you're going to be able to do what this one does. You'll be able to tune string instruments also. So I use this on my bass guitars. I use this on my saxophone. It is an awesome tuner. This tuner also has pitch calibration, and it's just like the other one where it goes from about 416 to 466 Hertz, and you can change that. It also has this clamp, and when you put this clamp on your headstock or any instrument, it's on there. Both of these tuners have rubber padding, and that is such a nice feature because you can put this on any instrument and have no fear of scratching or hurting that instrument in any way. This also has the same buttons where we can tap on this and get the metronome. And they also have the up and down button on the back so that you can change the tempo. And there's the button to change the features. Earlier I mentioned that this was a 2-in-1 tuner. Here is the toggle switch where you can switch back and forth from microphone and vibrations. This also has the display that can move all around and twist, and the 360 arm so that I can get multiple positions so that I'm always able to see the display. Is a little bit brighter than this one. And that's because it is a high definition display, and it just allows you to see the tuning and all the features on the display from multiple angles just a little bit clearer. The battery life on this one, this is a lithium metal battery. Both of these tuners come with the battery, and I've had this tuner for 3 years and I have never changed the battery in it, and I use this one all the time. I use this one actually a little bit more than the blue one just because I can see the display a little bit better, and with playing multiple different instruments, bass guitar, saxophone, I can switch so easily between the two. If you click on the link in the description below and you go to Amazon, you're going to see that this has 4.7 out of 5 stars, and about 82% of those reviews are 5-star reviews. The price of this Snark ST2 multi-instrument chromatic tuner is about $12.99. So it's about $3 cheaper than the Snark 1. So as far as cons go with this one, I can't find anything wrong with this one. The price is great, the battery life is great, the display is awesome. The only thing that I could think is, just like with the other SN1, that you may find the display a little bit small. So now let's get to the third tuner, and this is the TE tuner that you can find in your app store. This is Tonal Energy Tuner. So right now the TE tuner is picking up my voice, and you can see it's kind of moving around and it's kind of gauging all of that. And we're going to go and tap on the metronome feature. You can hear that. It's right up in the right hand corner. Now we're going to go in and we're going to select. So if you're a concert instrument, we're going to click on concert. All the other instruments are listed in there specifically. And you can go through and it's going to show you then what the concert pitch is and what letter is going to show up in the bottom left. And I access that with the menu on the right. On the bottom, I click on transpose and it brings that up. So now we're going to go into another menu. I click the wind part on the right hand corner. You can see it. And inside here, you can be specific and click on a wind instrument, a string instrument, or a voice instrument. You can also fine tune the range, so you can have it wide or ultra fine. I can also click on the bottom, the sound, and it brings up this click wheel. And I can click on any note and it'll sound that note. I can sustain it, and then I can play along with it, so it's easy to match pitch. There is also a selection on the bottom for analysis. So as you're playing your notes, you'll also see all those wave files so that you can really tell what's actually going on when you're playing. This is a really cool section here. This is the metronome section. And we can change time signatures very easily. And you can see it's going to show us, and we're going to be able to hear. And we also have different subdivisions that we can click in here. And it's very easy to change the tempo with the plus and minus button. Or we can just type it in. One of the other features that I like is this tap tempo. So if I'm listening to a piece of music, I can just tap on that and it will give that tempo of that song right to me. And in the bottom right, we have our preferences where we can select all the different parameters that we would like and customize our app. So isn't it so cool that we have these tuners that are just so portable, so small, they are so accurate, and more than anything, they're so easy to use. This one on Amazon is about $15.99. This one on Amazon is about $12.99. They each have their purpose, and it depends on what you're going to use it for, on which one of these works better for you. If you would rather have an app in your phone, you can click on the link in the description for the TE Tuner, Tonal Energy Tuner. I love that tuner. I tend to use all of these. I use the TE Tuner and both Snarks. They just serve different functions and different purposes for me. Down in the comments, if there's one of these that you think you're going to like more, or you already have, or if there's something that I didn't mention that you want to add to the conversation, make sure to put that down in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That way you're going to get all of my future content. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.